Meantime, turning now to our coronavirus coverage and a picture of Magic Johnson and Governor Newsom getting some backlash. Johnson tweeted out this picture of them hanging out during the 49ers-Rams game yesterday. People are calling out the governor for not complying with a mask mandate. Masks are required at all times at SoFi Stadium except when actively eating or drinking. This is according to the stadium's website. We reached out to the governor's office for comment but have not heard back yet. Well, as we learn more about the new Omicron subvariant BA.2, 26 cases have been reported in the state. Yolo County Health Department confirmed just yesterday they have detected 4 cases. Experts are now saying the subvariant is 50% more contagious than the first original Omicron variant. KCRA 3's Lizzie Mitri spoke to local health experts about the discovery and what this means.
In Yolo County, the work to track COVID-19 variants happens here inside UC Davis's Genome Center.
And that's how we wound up finding Omicron first and Delta first. And maybe we're the first to also discover these cases in the Sacramento region.
Spokesperson John Fout says 4 cases of Omicron subvariant known as BA.2 were identified in Yolo County by the end of last week. And that's just what's been detected so far.
It is likely that there are more than 4 cases. If we've already had 4 cases, there's likely already community spread.
It's believed to be 1.5 times more contagious than the original Omicron strain. So could this mean another COVID-19 surge? That's something scientists are looking into.
Does the original variant Omicron BA.1 offer protection for BA.2? And if it does, then we're probably just fine. We're going to continue as we are. We've probably already plateaued.
Doctors are paying attention to what's happening in Denmark, where BA.2 is already widespread.
We've already had some reports from Denmark, for example, that people have had an infection with the original Omicron variant, and then a month later they get infected with this variant. So it does appear to be more infectious.
Dr. Dean Blumberg says there's something else that's unusual.
In Denmark, half of the hospitalizations are in those 40 years of age or younger. So there may be a predisposition to infect younger people, and that's something we're going to have to keep a close eye out on.
The good news, he says early data shows vaccines are about as effective against this strain as the original Omicron variant.
And there's still excellent protection against severe illness resulting in hospitalization or even death.
On top of getting vaccinated, health experts recommend wearing high-quality masks, so opting for that N95 mask over a cloth mask. In Woodland, Lizzie Mitri, KCRA 3 News.
Well, the city of San Francisco is getting ready to lift indoor mask requirements for some people. A change takes effect tomorrow. It applies to people who are up to date with their COVID vaccinations, and it has to include a booster. Those who don't meet the vaccination requirements still have to wear a mask inside public spaces. Local health leaders say they changed the mask policy because COVID cases are dropping citywide and vaccination rates are relatively high. Let's take a look now at the vaccination progress in California. 72.9% of eligible state residents are fully vaccinated, accounting for 27.4 million people. Another 3.3 million are partially vaccinated, with 12.7 million people having received their booster. The state is giving out now, on average, about 122,000 doses per day.